Okay, so are we actually filming this time? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Coach unboxing. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Coach, then keep on watching. So the reason why I'm saying am I actually filming is because I filmed this video 3 times and unfortunately I didn't realize that I didn't hit record. And it's not like I've been doing YouTube for 2 years now almost, so you would think that I would know when my phone is recording. So that's why I'm hoping it's on record, and yes, it is obviously on record now, but this is or was supposed to be a true Coach unboxing, but right now obviously it's not going to be because I have used these pieces. And I actually did film the original videos at my condo, so you'll see when I do the try-ons that I'm actually in my condo and not at my parents' place. But right now, obviously, when I got home to edit the video, home being my parents' place, I realized that it didn't actually record. So here I am recording this video now. So let's get into the unboxings. So it did come in this Coach paper bag, and the items that I did purchase did not come in boxes. And I actually do not have any of the tissue paper because I thought I was done with it and I threw them away. So I did pick up 3 pieces. I did show you guys one of the pieces already, and that is going to be this piece right here. So this is my new Coach crew neck. It is in the signature brown CCs, and I did get it in a size medium. It is a little bit oversized for me. It does fit a little bit larger than I thought it would be, but I still like the oversized look. This does retail for 295 Canadian dollars, and I honestly can feel the difference. This is all these items that I'm going to share with you today were actually purchased at the boutique itself and not the outlet. This sweater that I do have right now that I'm wearing was purchased at the outlet. So I can feel a total quality difference. And I know that the outlets for any of the designer locations, regardless of if it's Gucci, Coach, Michael Kors, Kate Spade, you name it, they do make their products differently for the outlet compared to the actual boutiques itself. So this was my first purchase that I did get. This was my purchase to myself. All of these are going to be little Christmas presents to myself. I still want to purchase one major thing for myself for this Christmas season. I haven't really pulled the trigger on anything yet. I've been going between 2 different things, and I'll probably do a community post to ask you guys for your opinion on what I should pick up. So stay tuned for that. But yes, this was my first piece. And then the next piece that I did pick up is going to be this t-shirt. So again, it is in the regular black CCs, and as you can tell that there is a difference between the quality. This one was again purchased from the boutique, and I did get this in a size medium, and it was about 115 Canadian dollars plus tax. And so absolutely love this. I will share with you guys the mod shots as I'm showing you guys these pieces. And then the last item that I did pick up, and I didn't think that I was going to pick this up just because I didn't really realize if I wanted to be like full monogram or full logo, but I can be a logo ho sometimes. As you guys can tell, everything that I showed you so far has the monogramming or the logos on it. But the last piece that I did pick up was the matching track pants. So fun fact, they do have a similar version to the track pants at the Coach outlet, but it has like a different insignia here, as well as the buttons that they use are actually not metal. I think they're like a plastic. And same with the tassels here. They don't have the leather trimming. I believe it's just like a plastic trimming. But I did get these in a size small, so I am a little bit more petite around the waist compared to my upper torso, but I didn't think that I would like it. But when I tried these pants on, my friend said I looked really good in them, so I just had to pick up the matching pair. I will show you what I look like with the actual pants on with the matching crew neck as well as a different top. So these were the three items. Oh, sorry. This was retailing for about 225 Canadian dollars plus tax. So these were the three things that I did purchase for myself for Christmas. I am starting to get ready for the spring season. I am like a person who likes to be on top of the seasons. So when it's halfway through like winter, for example, right now, I want to start getting ready for my spring season looks just because I want to be readily available. I want to be prepared so that way when the season drops, I have a nice wardrobe that I can start to use. So that was everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.